In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to soften skin naturally in Photoshop using Gaussian blur and a layer mask. This technique is quick, clean, and non-destructive, which means you can fine-tune it at any time without harming your original photo. It's perfect for gently smoothing skin while keeping important details like eyes, brows, and hair sharp. Start by duplicating your photo layer with Ctrl+J on Windows or CMD+J on a Mac. Working on a copy is essential because it gives you full flexibility to adjust or undo changes later without starting over. Next, go to Filter, then Blur, and choose Gaussian Blur. A preview window will show you what's happening as you adjust the radius slider. Move it slowly until the skin looks soft and the pores and fine texture are slightly diffused but not erased. The ideal amount varies by image size and resolution, so zoom in and out to make sure you're not over blurring. You're aiming for a softened look, not a plastic finish. Right now, the blur is affecting the entire image, so let's target it. Add a layer mask to the blurred layer. On layer masks, white reveals and black conceals. We only want blur on the skin, so fill that mask with black to hide the blur everywhere. Your photo should snap back to its original sharpness, which is exactly what we want at this stage. Now select a soft white brush and paint on the mask to reveal the blur only where you want smoother skin. Work gently over cheeks, forehead, and other skin areas, and avoid the eyes, eyebrows, lips, nostrils, and hairline so those areas stay crisp. A soft brush edge helps blend transitions, and using a low brush opacity or flow gives you more control to build the effect gradually. If you make a mistake, switch the brush color to black and paint back on the mask to hide the blur again. To finish, fine-tune the intensity by lowering the opacity of the blurred layer. Pull it down until the skin looks natural and balanced. Subtlety is key here. Often a moderate opacity is all you need for a polished, realistic result. Take a moment to zoom out and view the whole image to ensure the skin looks even and the features remain defined. And that's it. You duplicated the layer, blurred it, masked it, painted the blur only on the skin, and adjusted the opacity for a natural look.